What's up, y'all? It's your boy Quan back on another video. Hey, you feel me? I found a new challenge, you feel me? If you could drink soda, you feel me? I got some Sun-Kist right here. You feel me? I'm gonna see how long I can go, like, without burping, you feel me? Well, I'm gonna challenge myself, you know? I'm gonna drink this and see what I can drink the whole thing without burping. So we better get into it. Let's get it, y'all. Hold up. I'm gonna drink the whole thing without burping, okay? So that's when the video, if I burp, the video end. Okay, bet. This is what happens when you run out of content. Cause I'm entertaining y'all, okay? I'm gonna drink this without burping, you feel me? Ooh! Ooh! I feel it right here in my chest. See what I could go about burping. It's right there in my chest, y'all. I gotta finish the whole bottle without burping, you feel me? I can't burp. Ooh. Sun-Kist orange. I'm almost done, y'all. I can't burp. I can't burp. Oh my god, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell, man. Please. I did it. I did it. Oh my god. I can't burp. After I say my last, I can burp, okay? I did it without burping. I didn't burp. And it was real too. You feel me? I'm about to burp. Okay, I'm about to burp. Oh my god. Ooh. But anyways, that was the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe down below. Hit the notification bell. Thank y'all for watching this video. Yes, sir. I did it. Yes. If y'all want any more drinks, you know what me to do? I'm going to do it. Your boy's out. Peace.